Hi there and welcome to another quick unboxing. This really is a quick one. I bought this mouse on a whim because my wife wanted a different option to the Magic Mouse she's got with her iMac. I did a quick little search on Amazon for white mice or mouse and wanted it wireless just like her Magic Mouse, and I came up with this one, and this looked awesome, and for $9.99 I thought this looked absolutely wonderful and certainly worth giving it a shot. If it's rubbish, obviously I will send it back. Let's have a feel of this. First initial impressions are quite good. Looks nice, feels nice. It was a lot lighter than the Magic Mouse, but that's to be expected because it is only $9.99 as opposed to £69. See at the bottom, that's the little USB connector that sticks into your PC or Mac or whatever you're using, and that connects with the mouse. As we take a brief look underneath, there's the battery container because this mouse isn't rechargeable, it just takes a single AA battery. I can't imagine you could be rough with this little battery door because it does feel quite flimsy, but given the amount of times you actually change a battery, that shouldn't be an issue. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Rubbery sort of feel to the left. We've got two buttons on the left too. Smooth outswitch on the right, smooth on the top, and a wheel that you can press down as well. Feels nice. The wheel feels rubbery, and so is the left hand side of the mouse, and it feels nice. The pictures on the manual are easy to follow and are very brief, but they only need to be, don't they? Because all you're doing is putting the battery in the mouse and clicking the little USB Wi-Fi adapter thing on the outer part of your computer. This product's made in China, which given the price is probably explaining a lot, but it's okay. It's made by Eastern Time Technology. I took a quick little look online about Eastern Time Technology, and the company's got quite a good reputation for making value products and of reasonable standard. I can't complain so far. Well, this is what you get inside it. It's just the mouse, the USB Wi-Fi connector, a box and a manual, and obviously the associated packaging. Since making this video, we've used this mouse a lot, and I can assure you it's excellent and it works flawlessly. Its response time is not noticeable and basically works perfect. I think it works better than the Apple one. Controversy there saying that, but hey ho. But it's very good, and to be honest with you, it's so good I'm going to order myself a black one because I like the feel of it. It's lovely. Could we recommend this product? Yes, we can. It's excellent value for money, it works, and it looks lovely. Like I said, I'm going to order a black one.